Hey everybody, it's Double Moms, and welcome to another review of an IPO for Vitro Biopharma Inc., which will be trading under the ticker symbol VTRO on the New York Stock Exchange, the NYSE, and will be IPOing on August 9th, 2023. Before we begin, I want to remind you that if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. For example, we called out TUP on Wednesday and yesterday as well, and it ran 83% after hours. Now, that's a stock we've been alerting about since April, before its 700% run up. And yesterday morning, we called out BJDX, which ran up 119%. And today we called out MF pre-market, and it ran up 204%. Already. We're just made different. The early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. Vitro Biopharma Inc., VTRO, is a biotechnology clinical trial company that uses advanced science to develop treatments for autoimmune diseases and inflammatory disorders. They have a unique way of creating therapeutic candidates using stem cells from umbilical cords. These stem cells come from healthy volunteers after childbirth. In the United States, they are authorized to conduct 2 clinical trials to test the safety and effectiveness of this stem cell therapy for Pitt-Hopkins syndrome, which is a rare neurogenetic disorder, and also long COVID. So far, more than 300 people have received treatment using this stem cell therapy in studies conducted by other organizations. Their main focus is on treating Pitt-Hopkins syndrome, a disorder that affects children and causes developmental delays and behavioral issues. To fund their research and operations, the company also generates revenue by providing research services and selling stem cell products and cosmeceuticals through its subsidiary, InfiniVive MD. VTRO was founded in the United States in 1986. It is targeting autoimmune diseases and inflammatory disorders, doing clinical trial work for treating these diseases in the U.S. Now let's turn our attention to the IPO details. Vitro Biopharma Inc., VTRO, is offering 1,818,181 shares in its initial public offering. The IPO stock has been set to between $5 and $6. With these numbers, the deal size is estimated to be around $10 million. Investors will have the opportunity to participate in the growth and potential of Vitro Biopharma Inc. as it expands its operations and continues to innovate in the healthcare biotechnology industry. Please note, we are not stock professionals, folks, nor are we stock advisors or financial planners. We implore you guys to do your own due diligence before purchasing anything in the stock market. I personally might not pre-buy this stock. However, I will be watching the price action on it closely. It's not a Chinese IPO, which tends to be the flavor of the day in the IPO world. Again, this is not stock advice, so do your own diligence, folks. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you on the flip side.